So you can use width and height also. Okay, so I can use 120 dp for height and match parent for width, or I can use 150 dp for width and match parent for height. Okay, so this is how the image view will be shown. Now one of the main thing for the image view is background. This property, background property, will set different things in background. You can set another image for the background, or you can set some color in the background also. So if you see, I have set some color in the background. Okay, however the image is same itself, only the shadow and the background color has changed. Okay, so you can add background also to the image view. Now let's have a look at recycler view. Is something different. You need to create a lot of code for recycler view, that we will see in some other videos. Fragment container view is also a different thing. Okay, scroll view is something we can see. So scroll view is something invisible. It is like a layout itself. Okay, whatever data you put into the scroll view, whenever that data is going beyond the screen height, then you can scroll that view with the scroll view. Okay, for example, let me put all these components into the scroll view, but here what you need to understand is you can have only one parent layout into scroll view. That means you can have only one direct child into the scroll view. You cannot add multiple childs into the scroll view. You have to add one layout into the scroll view, just like I have added the linear layout here, which